Hey, Lucas here from Hanabi Glass. Today I'm going to show you how to do a very simple way of making colored glass tubing. So let's get to it. Here's what I plan on using. Some colored rod, a blow tube, graphite reamer, 4mm glass rod, not shown, a graphite paddle, as well as my trusty Zippo. Let's get started. So let's start by gathering up some of the colored glass that you choose to use. Now I'll flatten the front of the colored glass. This makes it easier to connect my blow tube to. Next, I'm going to rip open the blow tube with a piece of 4mm rod. This is done by holding the rod 90 degrees to the tube and turning the rod away from myself and thinning out the glass until it opens up. Now we're going to flare open the tube, warm it up a bit, put in your reamer, and then put it at the edge of the flame and pull towards yourself in order to flare the tube open to the size you need. Now you're going to heat up your colored Maria and attach the blow tube to it. Make sure you get them to the same heat before you touch them together. After melting them in together, move to the side and cut off as much of the colored glass as you plan on using. Now gather the colored glass back. Don't be afraid to use a punty if you need to in order to control the colored glass. Now that you've gathered most of the colored glass back, give it a little bit of a puff so that it starts to become concaved next to the attachment. After you've gathered up the glass and allowed it to get the heat fully through it, let the glass cool slightly so that the exterior is even and the interior is an equal heat. Feel free to reheat as necessary. Allow the heat to penetrate to the center, but every time you pull it out, make sure you allow the outside to cool as well as the inside to equalize in temperature before blowing. I recommend this technique specifically if you need just a little bit extra colored tubing for a project that you're working on, and or if you want to do a lot of very small encalmo pieces together, which is something that we'll go over in later videos. And there you go. Pretty easy way to make a little bit of extra colored tubing if you need to. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for new content. I will be streaming on Twitch 3 times a week. Check my channel for the schedule. And if you have any questions, feel free to go onto our Discord and chat about glass or anything. So, thank you for watching.